Hi, こんにちは. In this video, you'll learn how to ask your classmate what her major is. シロさんは学生ですか？はい、そうです。専攻は何ですか？日本語です。Let's try again slowly. シロさんは学生ですか？はい、そうです。専攻は何ですか？日本語です。Now let's look at each sentence. The first sentence is シロさんは学生ですか？シロさんは学生ですか？ We've learned this pattern in the previous video, so let's do a quick review on this. シロさんは学生です is the X は Y です pattern. So this part means Miss Shiro is a student. But this sentence ends with the ka particle, so this is a question sentence. You may be familiar with this already, but let's do a quick review. The first sentence, Shiro-san wa gakusei desu, means Miss Shiro is a student. But the second sentence, Shiro-san wa gakusei desu ka, means is Shiro a student? Because it has ka at the end. So this means, is Miss Shiro a student? But isn't it strange? He's talking with Shiro, so why didn't he use the word for you instead? The answer is simple. The word you is not very commonly used in Japanese. For example, this sentence says, あなたは学生ですか? Which literally means, are you a student? Using the actual word for you, あなた. But again, in Japanese, the word you is avoided as much as possible, especially if you already know the person's name. So how should we say, are you a student, without using the word for you? We just replace you with the person's name, like Shiro-san. This sentence says, Shiro-san wa gakusei desu ka? Which literally means, is Miss Shiro a student? It may sound strange to English speakers, but it's perfectly fine and it sounds a lot more natural. So again, do not use you and just use the person's name instead. The next sentence is はい、そうです。はい、そうです。We've learned this in the previous video. はい、そうです means yes, that's right. The next sentence is 専攻は何ですか？専攻は何ですか？専攻 means a major. 何 means what. We could break down this sentence more, but let's keep it simple for now. When you see this pattern, X は何ですか? It means, what is X? So, 専攻は何ですか means, what is your major? Now you may be wondering where the your part came from. We learned that Japanese omit things when it's obvious. In this case, Shiro's friend is obviously asking about her major. So we can leave out the word for your. Again, X は何ですか is a very useful phrase and it means, what is X? The next sentence is 日本語です。日本語です。日本語 means Japanese language. 日本語です means it's Japanese language. And you probably noticed that this sentence doesn't have a subject. But again, this is perfectly fine because it's obvious from the context. Vocabulary. Japanese language is 日本語、日本語。English language is 英語。It's 英語, but 英語 sounds more natural. 英語、英語。Business is ビジネス、ビジネス。Computer is コンピューター、コンピューター。Science is 科学、科学。History is 歴史、歴史。Now let's practice the dialogue. シロさんは学生ですか？はい、そうです。専攻は何ですか？日本語です。Let's try with a different major. Shiro's major is English. シロさんは学生ですか？はい、そうです。専攻は何ですか？英語です。Let's try with another major. Now, Shiro's major is business. シロさんは学生ですか？はい、そうです。専攻は何ですか？ビジネスです。Key takeaways. 1. Is it okay to call someone you? It should be avoided. It's not very common in Japan. 2. How do you refer to the person you are talking to? Use the name of the person. For example, it should be, is Shiro-san a student? Instead of, are you a student? 3. How do you say, what is your major in Japanese? 専攻は何ですか？ Okay, let's try the dialogue one more time. シロさんは学生ですか？はい、そうです。専攻は何ですか？日本語です。Hi, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. ありがとうございます。Thank you.